Please welcome to the podium, Daisy.
It strikes persons of both sexes and all ages, but is twice as common in males as in females. About 25,000 Americans develop this annually. 9 of every 10 are adults. In the late 1990s, this accounted for about 16,000 deaths each year. So today I will be discussing leukemia. And this disease affects everyone from a young age to an old age, and I will be talking about what it is, the symptoms, and the treatment. My niece has leukemia, and I've also done research on it, so I know about it. Okay, so what is leukemia? Leukemia is a cancer of the blood, and the body produces a large number of abnormal white blood cells. For example, in this picture, this is what you would see in the blood slides when they diagnose you with leukemia. So this disrupts the production of normal blood cells, and it lowers the person's ability to fight infection, which usually causes death. So I've told you about what is leukemia. Now I'll be talking to you about the symptoms of leukemia. Symptoms of leukemia. People with acute leukemia feel sick, and they usually have symptoms like with those people that have anemia, which is weakness and fatigue, loss of appetite, losing easily, like for example in this picture, and pale complexion, skin, fever, etc. Patients with chronic leukemia usually don't show symptoms and are and it's really hard to diagnose. So I've told you about the symptoms of leukemia. Now I'll be talking to you about the treatment. The treatment of leukemia. There's different kinds of therapies. There's chemotherapy, which is the most common one. For example, in this picture, she's getting drug being transfused into her blood, which is fighting off the abnormal white blood cells. And there's also bone marrow transplant, but that's usually for those with really bad leukemia, which is basically they take away the bone marrow from your bones and transplant new bone marrow. And another kind of therapy is supportive therapy, which is just like to help you go through everything and helps you with the side effects and radiation. So as you can see, leukemia is treatable, and depending on the stage of the person that they have is it's based on the stage on the success of the treatment is based on the stage the person is in. So today I'll talk to you about what is leukemia, the symptoms of leukemia, and the treatment of leukemia. All this information has helped you on the awareness of this disease.